So let's cut the strips. I was thinking to not do exactly straight one. I don't like the straight strips. I just cut the first layer. If you have extremely sharp knife, this is for sure beneficial. So I think the first one, I want to make a little bit thicker those strips. Okay, there's the first one. Let's put this on the, then come the next one is the red, which I put the glitter on because I don't have exact. I will just manage to do second strip. Now we need to make the third one, which is this. Then we need to put the light pink. I cut the X, not straight one. I don't want them to be very even. Then we bring the beige one, kind of beige goldish also. The sound is annoying. And then suck and attach, and then we repeat the same stuff. I will take something from the gold one again. Clean it, one more roll, clean it, one more roll. Let's take a knife. I think we can already cut a straight line here and remove the excess. Remove. Sorry for the movement. The camera is attached to the table and I can't do anything about that. Look at this, baby. What a beautiful combination. I want them to be in this direction, but I think I will make a thin layer of a clay to which one I will attach this. Okay, right now I roll this very thin layer to attach our pattern to it, to be sure that the strips doesn't separate. And that's a cool thing because right now they are already here separating a little bit, see? But if I put them on this, it will keep them safe, because even after baking might be risky. So I'll just make one more push and roll, but not too strong, very gently. Then I will cut the excess, this thing out that we don't need. Disturb our visual. So X. Okay. Now we have to decide about the shape. I like this very much, but this will not bring out the shape probably. Or if I do like this might be cool. Yeah, we will do two like this, one, and the same kind of on the other side. Then we need some I like need some circles. For the upper parts, everything I will keep the same on both sides to not get confused. Perfect. Then we need some shapes that will be attached. One, I think the second will be other way around. Two, but there's probably not enough space for this one, so I think I have 1, 2, I put 2, that's also okay. Yes. And now removing this rest. Wow, they are so cool, guys. Really cool. What a pattern, what a colors. Okay, so that's how this looks like. It was very spontaneous decision today. Again, as usually, I will show you when they are ready. See you at the next video. Thank you for watching, and of course, like, subscribe, and support my channel.